So I take my two dogs out early in the morning and I go around like the block and whatever, and so I did that this morning. And we came upon this young deer. It was like, you could say a teenage deer, adolescent, and it was like a beautiful reddish. So it wasn't fully grown, and it was laying in someone's backyard a few yards down from mine. And the funny thing was, when we were walking by, it didn't get up and run like a deer normally would. And then my large adult male dog Rudy barked like he always does at deer. There he is, always usually by my feet there. And it still didn't get up and run away. It just kind of laid there curled up. So of course I was worried, took the dogs back home, and I came back with a carrot, and I actually filmed that. It's on my YouTube channel here. And I, slowly approached the deer because, it's a wild animal. And it was just still laying there, it was curled up, so sweet. So like I threw the carrot over by it, and then I went back home, and I'd been up all night painting because I'm an artist. So I went back to sleep for a few hours. My wife got me up, we took the dogs out back to sit for a while with them, and they stay tied. So I decided to check on the deer, and I was so saddened to see that deer had died in that short amount of time. So it turns out I was too late. And this area is arid. It doesn't really rain hardly at all. It's so dry. So obviously the poor thing died from thirst and hunger. So it was just, I don't know, it's terrible. Anyway, needless to say, I'm taking my family back where I'm from, back in eastern Canada, where it rains a lot. There's lots of fresh water, lots of woods. So that's my story for today. Sleeping deer.